You gonna sing, Quinn? You gonna sing? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, can you sing, Quinn?
Ooh.
Can you sing?
See, I make the motions. I make a lot of noise, but Grandpa can't understand any of my words. That's a very loud noise. Ooh, look at Elliot. He's got the hammer in the balls. He's gonna be a croquet player. Yeah. He's gonna be a croquet player.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa, hey.
Hey.
There you go.
Hi, Quinn. Hmm. Whoa, whoa, careful.
Oh, don't land on his leg, honey. You're a good girl. Yeah, oh, you want to see the camera.